Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do my unboxing of the Glamlite Chocolate Factory box. Ta-da! Such a cute box too. What would I do with it, you know? Look at how cute this is on the inside. I ordered these because it was like I had to spend X amount to get free shipping, so I added these on and it made it free shipping. So I got these Glamlite Diner Restaurant wipes. Yeah, wipes. I needed some, so why not? Then they have this Glamlite Golden Ticket. I'm not sure what this means or does. Congratulations, foodie. You are the recipient of the Glamlite Golden Ticket, which gives you exclusive access to the ultimate chocolate experience. In this box, you will find the most decadent and delicious chocolate treats ever. Welcome to the Glamlite Chocolate Factory, Giselle. Oh, okay. Okay, first thing out of the box is the Glamlite Choco Lash. I don't do lashes. This is the Glamlite Chocolate Candy Bar. This is another pair of lashes. It is. What do they look like? Here's what those look like. And Glamlite donut lashes. Slightly annoyed. Here's what those look like. Okay. Then we have the Glamlite S'mores Highlighter and Contour Palette. Let's see. Shades are chocolate, marshmallow, and graham cracker. You can see them on the back. Those look nice. Looks like a graham cracker. That's cute. Ooh, I like that graham cracker shade already. That's pretty. Smells like cocoa powder. I'm gonna swatch marshmallows and graham cracker. Please forgive the state of my hand. If you followed along with me, I told you guys I was sick a while ago with from the chemical cleaner that my workplace was making us use. Yeah. Please forgive the state of my hand. If it looks red and irritated, that's because of the cleaner. So those are there's graham cracker and that's marshmallow. So those are pretty. I like that. White chocolate donut palette, which I think is now sold out. Kind of why I got this, because this was sold out, and buying, like, for example, if I bought this and the lipsticks together, it would be more than the foodie box by itself. So I think it would be roughly, yeah. So I want to show you guys the chocolate donut palette. It is adorable. If I can get it open. I love this. It's cute. Okay. And then the box that it came in was adorable. There's the palette by itself. Cute little, it's kind of squishy, but not really squishy. I won't blind you with the mirror. Here's the palette. It's pretty. I'll swatch a few things for you. Let's do this gold here, this Sweet Tooth. Ooh, they're buttery. Oh, that's so pretty. Boston Cream. It's kind of a light swatch. There we go. And let's do one of their mattes. Sweet Filling. Let's do that. Ooh, the mattes are so creamy. Wow. This is Sweet Filling. This one is Boston Cream. And this one is Sweet Tooth. That's really pretty. I like that. This is the first time I've ever done anything with Glamlite, because, I don't know, all their stuff sells out so quick, so I never get a chance to really have gotten anything from them, so that's why I jumped on this foodie box. So it gives me a chance to play with some of their stuff. This poor hand. I'm sorry, hand. Okay. Let me put this back and I'll show you guys the lipsticks. Okay. This is the S'mores lip gloss. Packaging is adorable. That's pretty. Wonder how it looks on lips. I don't really want to swatch in case I hate it. Oh well. I don't know. What do you guys think? It smells good. It smells like chocolate. Let me bring you guys in a little bit. There you go. Looks better. I like it. It's really nice. It's not sticky. That's good. I like it. I want to keep this packaging so bad because it's cute, but do I have room for it in my drawer? No. And let me wipe this off and we'll do this one next. Okay. So now we're going to do the last thing in the box, which is the Glamlite Hot Chocolate Lips. That, again, the packaging is adorable. There's the color there. Let's try it on. Oh, it smells good. It smells like Hershey's. My mom's talking to the dog in the living room, if you hear her. I like it. I don't know, I think I like this color a little bit better than S'mores, but I think I can get away with it too, so I like it. It's a really nice formula. I really like that. I would definitely get either a lipstick or a gloss. They're a really nice formula. Gloss is not sticky, it's really nice, it's colorful. I like it. Really comfortable formula. And hydrating, because my lips are kind of dry, so. I will have the prices listed when I edit, and the total box value I'll have up here, if I remember. Anyway, what else was I going to say? Nothing else? Yeah, nothing else, so. Anyway, hopefully you guys enjoyed. Give us a thumbs up if you like unboxing videos. Subscribe if you have not. We'd love for you to join the fam. And click that bell if you like more notifications from me. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.